31st of May. The Birds and the Flowers. From Milton, lines 19 through 36. Thou perceivest the flowers put forth their precious odors, and none can tell how from so small a centre comes such sweet. Forgetting that within that centre eternity expands its ever-during doors, that Og and Anak fiercely guard. First, ere the morning breaks, joy opens in the flowery bosoms, joy even to tears, which the sun rising dries. First the wild thyme and meadow sweet, downy and soft, waving among the reeds, light springing on the air, leads the sweet dance. They wake the honeysuckle, sleeping on the oak, the flaunting beauty revels along upon the wind. The whitethorn, lovely May, opens her many lovely eyes. Listening, the rose still sleeps, none dare to wake her. Soon she bursts her crimson-curtained bed, and comes forth in the majesty of beauty. Every flower, the pink, the jessamine, the wallflower, the carnation, the jonquil, the mild lily opes her heavens. Every tree and flower and herb soon fill the air with an innumerable dance. Yet all in order, sweet and lovely. Men are sick with love. Such is the vision of the lamentation of Belua over Ololon. William Blake, 1757 through 1827.